Do you hold cryptocurrency? Do you know what to do if it is stolen? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm an attorney. Now, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are rapidly gaining traction as a legitimate investment and as currency. Like other digital assets that increasingly define our modern existence, crypto carries certain risks, and the foremost of these is cryptocurrency theft through hacking. Blockchain technology, the basis of cryptocurrency, is very difficult to hack. But cryptocurrency theft usually occurs outside of the blockchain. Hackers gain access to your cryptocurrency either via your wallet or your exchange account. If you're not familiar with these terms, let me explain. Cryptocurrency is stored and exchanged using a digital or crypto wallet. In fact, your cryptocurrency is stored on the blockchain as a long string of encrypted numbers called a token. Each token is assigned a private key, which is held by you as the owner. This key is stored in the digital wallet and it gives access to the token. The wallet keeps your private keys safe. Your key is your proof of ownership and it unlocks your ability to transact. If you lose your private key, you have no way to prove ownership of your cryptocurrency. You effectively lose your money. Now, wallets are either hot or cold. A hot wallet is online. You can access your hot wallet from any internet-enabled device. It's easy to use and convenient and allows you to store and manage your cryptocurrency tokens all in one place. They are also usually free. However, a hot wallet is easier to hack precisely because it is online. A cold wallet is offline and much less susceptible to hacking. A cold wallet is a physical device like a USB stick. If you lose the hardware, you've lost your private key and all access to your cryptocurrency. As long as you keep the device entirely safe, it is less risky than a hot wallet. Your digital wallet, unlike a physical wallet where you keep your cash, only stores your private key, not your actual currency. Your cryptocurrency is stored on an exchange, which is also an online platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. Now, some currency exchanges also offer key storage facilities. So how is crypto hacked? The blockchain itself could theoretically be hacked, but the level of encryption used makes it nearly impossible. However, cryptocurrency exchanges are frequent targets for hacking. Thieves want access to the cryptocurrency keys. For this reason, it's not a good idea to use key storage provided by an exchange. Now, hot wallets can also be hacked, as can cold wallets during the time they are connected to the internet. Hot wallets are convenient but risky. Cold wallets are the most secure option. Now, don't store your private keys on any device that is permanently connected, even if it is not an online platform. Remember, malicious actors are not amateur hackers, but highly sophisticated and skilled engineers, often backed by organizations or even nation states. They are dedicated to finding vulnerabilities in digital systems. The bigger the prize, the harder they work. Now, the following tips will help you keep your tokens safe and prevent cryptocurrency theft through hacking. Don't store your keys in the wallet on your mobile device or any other device that has a connection to the internet. Hold your private keys in cold storage. Don't let an exchange store your keys for you unless you're comfortable with the risks. If you want to use your cryptocurrency, only transfer the keys you need to your hot wallet, conduct your transaction, then remove them from the hot wallet immediately. Keep your cold storage method in a secure, humidity-controlled environment without a wired or wireless connection. Check on your devices periodically to ensure they're not degrading. If they are, transfer your keys to a new storage device. Never share your private keys with anyone else. What should you do if you are the victim of a cryptocurrency theft? Unfortunately, you're very unlikely to get your money back. Unlike credit card fraud, where the law limits the amount of liability suffered by the credit card holder, cryptocurrency is not protected by similar laws. The blockchain can be monitored to trace where the currency goes after it leaves your wallet, but actors are likely to trade the currency for a hard currency like dollars immediately. You may be able to find the identity of the theft, but this is unlikely to help you recover your money. However, there are still steps you should take. Firstly, report the theft to the police. Theft is theft. The police are unlikely to apprehend the criminal, especially if the hacker is sitting in Russia or North Korea. But it is important for the authorities to get a realistic picture of the scale of the problem. Now, secondly, notify your bank. There may be transaction costs incurred by the hacker that hit your bank account. Advise your bank that these are unauthorized transactions. Notify the crypto exchange you used. Even if the theft did not occur on the exchange itself, your service provider needs to know that a breach has happened. It may be able to gather information about the transaction that could be helpful later, and will be alerted to examine its own security measures. Now, ensure it doesn't happen again. Provided you can still log into your Exchange account on your hot wallet, change your password and any other security information. Enable two-factor authentication. This will lock further hackers out and protect any tokens that may still be in your possession. Then check all your devices for malware. The hacker may have penetrated your network via pre-existing malicious software infection. Scan all the devices you use to handle your currency and make sure they are clean. Lastly, don't brag about owning cryptocurrency, especially online. Social media is a public space. Keep your financial information private. Set up a new email address that is exclusive to your cryptocurrency account and separate from your work and personal emails. This will reduce the chance of you being phished, i.e. targeted by your email account. If you'd like to know more about cryptocurrency, give me a call on the number in the signature below.